Hey everybody, welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to be talking about the happy hoops. We're doing the Snowglobe. So this one has the vinyl and this one is also, it's a technique that we would call sketch. So the underneath would be similar to a raw edge applique, and then it has over the top these sketch lines. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. So there's what that would look like. So this one I have partially prepared. This would be all of your raw edge applique pieces that have gone down here, and if you look, we have tacked them down in black, which is the color we're going to be doing the sketch lines in. Regularly when you're doing the applique, you would use the color to match the fabric or the glitter that you're placing. So this would have been white, but because we're doing the sketch lines, it's okay to do the black because it will just match right in with your sketch lines and just look like another sketch line. So we've stitched all the tack down lines and we have ironed on our glitter, and the next step will be the sketch. So we're going to stitch that and show you just where that's going to stitch all those sketch lines so you can see a little bit of what that will look like. We'll just pop that in. So as you can see with this, the sketch lines go in and out of the tack down line, so it just really holds your fabric on there and just gives it a cool look. So that's just where your sketch lines would stitch, and it's okay if they come in and off your fabric, and it's okay if your fabric isn't cut super straight or anything, because that's just kind of the look. It's supposed to be kind of raw edged like that. So the next thing we want to talk about is so how you would finish that off. So this one I have finished. So after that, it would just stitch the nose and the eyes, and then you would place whatever thing you want inside your snow globe, any seed beads or things like that. This one, you can see we have the little jewels, and then this one has little white or clear guys in that one as well. So those, you would place them in the center of your design, and then you're going to place your vinyl, which you can see here. We've got a piece of vinyl over the top of that, and then you're going to need to stitch this tack down line right here, which will keep all of those inside your snow globe. And this, like we talked about last week on Tuesday Tips, if you're watching, this tack down line is made to fit exactly in the Kimberbell 3x3 or 3.5 by 3.5 inch hoops. So that's what those would look like. So that tack down line is made to fit that. If you don't have the tack down line, you won't be able to put things inside of your snow globe. And then just to see here, with the 3.5-inch hoop, you would not see any of your tack down line when it is hooped. So that is what it will end up to be like. And then of course, you can embellish using pom-pom trim and ribbon, and then you have a cute little snow globe. So that's all we have this week. So thank you guys for watching.